Hello, welcome to Daisyyumland. I am here with Big Boy.
And I'm here with Daisyyumland.
And we today are playing with our awesome foaming soap
And
or crazy soap.
today is Fun Day Wednesday at Daisyyumland.
Sure is, where we have lots of fun. And we have pink colour and we have blue colour. And if this was smell-o-vision, you would see that they smell divine.
Let me show you something. Daisyyumland, they can even fly.
And here we have our In the Night Garden toys and our Cars toys. And they, as you can see, have pretty much been foamed. But we still have to foam the Ninky Knock, so you can watch that one live with us right now.
Ninky Knock. So Ninky
Come
Knock.
join the foam party, Ninky Knock. What colour foam shall we use? Shall we use blue?
Blue.
Go for it, Big Boy.
I'm on the Harhoo's carriage.
Works out really easily.
Macapacca's carriage. Pontypine's carriage. Upsy Daisy's carriage. And Iggle Piggle's carriage. Right at the very back.
Unlike shaving foam, this is dermatologically tested and it's hypoallergenic and it's mild and easy to play with. And you can actually wash with this stuff in a bath, but we like to wash our cars and toys instead.
And there is our checkered egg bird. Oh!
These are the Harhoos. Got chick
Now
picks.
we can get, what about Upsy
Let's
Daisy?
get Upsy Daisy. Where is she? In
There's
amongst all
Upsy
this
Daisy.
mess.
And got
Oh,
Lightning
hang on, wait,
McQueen.
I'm not there yet. Okay, there you go.
And got Lightning McQueen. Good chow.
Lightning's in there somewhere. I can't even see him. I see Iggle Piggle.
There's Lightning.
Oh yeah.
And there's
Lightning's
Wassingers.
right beside
The
Upsy Daisy.
Wassingers. There, me. Oh, Wassingers are getting stuck.
Oh, Big Boy, look how soapy your hands are.
Tony Boos. Tony Boos. Tony Boos.
There's chick picks over there.
Six. Get,
Pinky Ponk, we did put some on, but it's kind of up.
get some.
Got it now.
Got Ninky Knock. Wow, Pontypines. Great Candyman, Kevin Shiftbright, Pink Underspin, Flower, Eggbird Harhoo.
So not only are these toys having fun, they're also really getting clean. Because this is like soap. At the end we can rinse it off with the garden hose.
Okay, Dinosaur, Clutch Moose Spoons, and Rocket.
So when we mix the pink and blue foam together, it's actually just making more kind of lilac-y blue foam, isn't it?
Yes, I made 2 new cars. I made a Vitaline car, James Cleaner, and the Taco Mint car, Greg Candyman.
Yeah, there's
number
the Vitaline.
101 and 61.
That's the taco mint.
Okay, and the numbers are 101 and 61.
We're going to keep our titty bird out of the phone because it's actually electronic and can sing, so.
Or Tissy Fur, as you might like to call it. But we like to say Tissy Bird. Okay.
And there we go. Thanks for watching. We're going to have some more fun with this awesome foam party now. But if you like seeing our cool games and our foaming soap, then give us a big thumbs up and subscribe.